Welcome back, everybody. We got some Pokemon content. We got the Galarian Moltres. We opened one up with Caesar.
Which one did you open?
This one.
Oh, Moltres. Oh, that's all.
We opened up that one not too long ago. But this is Brock's, and he got more. We got the Zapdos one. Let's take a good look. We're hoping to get some, I think it's 5 Crown Zeniths. And we got the Articuno one. Alright, let us know which promo you prefer. I'm kind of feeling Galarian Zapdos now. I mean, no,
Articuno.
Articuno.
I was between those two, Moltres and Articuno. But I just love how, like, this Galarian Moltres looks like some Japanese art style.
Yeah, that's true, but then it kind of reminds me of a chicken.
That's what I've always said about Moltres. I got into a debate with Arnie and
He just looks like a chicken.
yeah, like the regular Moltres, take away his fire, he looks like a chicken, a rubber chicken.
Give us a minute, everybody. Let's take a
Dude
look.
is all in one take.
Yeah.
What I'm looking to pull is the Zora card or the Cynthia.
Or the Cynthia.
Yeah, there's like a Cynthia card. It's like an alternate art of like Cynthia's Ambition or something.
Oh.
And she's with that sled Pokemon that I hate. The wood Pokemon battle you called Pinky.
Oh, Gastrodon?
Gastrodon, yeah, she's with a pink Gastrodon.
I was like, what are you talking about? Alright, everybody. Let's see what this man pulls. He got technically 15 packs. We already got a trainer, a Poochyena. Stuff in here.
I don't think we've gotten the Poochyena yet.
I have no idea.
Code card, I mean.
2, 3, 4. Got a Steel Energy. What if you just pull all the golden cards?
I'd be happy.
Got a Lyron. There's nothing this time. Alright, let's see. Third pack. 1, 2, 3, 4. Got Psychic, Dusclops, Bidoof. Bidoof again.
I swear, if I don't pull anything out of these 15 packs.
Yeah, you gotta put your hand. Complaining about 1, 2, 3, 4. Got Grass, Shaman. They didn't make like an alternative Shaman art. We got Ditto.
I'll give that a Arnie since he wanted this.
Ta-da. 1, 2, 3, 4. Got a Dark Energy, Bisharp, Seal, Rockruff, looking at the moon, Radiant Charger Book, and another Pikachu.
Yeah.
What's this one right here?
I always get confused if that's people's chase card or not.
What, the
The
Pikachu?
Pikachu.
A lot of people couldn't get it at first. At one point it was like $80. When you pulled it, it was like 20 something now. Some people were saying it was like harder to pull than the old ones at one point. But look at you, you already pulled it twice.
I know.
Nothing. Alright. My fingers gonna get swole from opening all these damn packs. Steel Energy, Carnivine, Rare Candy. Alright, Rangaroo, and nothing.
I know this is a little more sparky than the other one.
1, 2, 3, 4. Got a Grass, Lunatone, Soul Rock. And we got a nothing. We got a sign card though.
Ray Hall with a flag on.
Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. B-Stars. Crap.
B-Star stuff. Just means you got nothing.
Sure.
Most of the time.
Alright. Looking pretty basic. Oh no, our dog's dying. Alright, we're gonna open it up like this. Maybe that's the thing.
Yeah, we're gonna get the Caesar left in this.
Yeah, we gotta do all that stuff. 1, 2, 4. Dark, Dusclops, Airing. Ooh.
Fancy.
That's awesome.
That's what Here, I already did the code trick.
But did he do it? Or did he open it like Caesar?
No.
I'm telling you.
It's
Open it like Caesar,
is
see?
hard.
You have to. Even if you struggle, you gotta open it.
I don't know how y'all be doing that. I opened it like Caesar.
Yeah. And just like boost up like your chance of pulling by like at least 30%. What'd I say? See?
That's true. None of us have pulled that one either.
Y'all gotta start opening it like Caesar too. Everybody down in the comments. If this one pulls like even remotely.
Oh.
See, y'all gotta start opening like Caesar. Double hit. Stop what you're doing. Stop opening it regularly and open it like Caesar. Look at that.
Opening it like Caesar just changed this.
We went from hardly any good pulls to back to back to back to back. Even if you struggle, find it. Yeah. Alright, I feel it. I feel it. I got a feeling. Ooh. That tonight's gonna be a copyright night. Alright. Water. Croc. And I'm telling you, open it like Caesar. Open it like Caesar.
Got some
every time you open your damn Pokemon card packs, open it like Caesar.
Yeah, because this went from almost no hits to like triple hits.
Dude.
Open it like Caesar.
Good. Gotta start following the rules. Y'all seen that? That's like 7 for 7. And you gotta believe too.
Yeah, that counts technically.
Yeah. Okay. Alright.
I don't know. I think my favorite one is Lisa's Sparkle now.
Oh. I went from mediocre to damn.
Yeah.
Alright. Let's see. First, we got the promo Zapdos. I like the art. Kind of reminds me of like the Roadrunner. Galarian Moltres. We got a Hisuian Samurott V-Star. Like that one. We got Galarian Articuno. Look at him just standing there. We got a Irida with the whole crew. You already know. We got a whatever you call this, fighting. We got an Oricorio. This right here. We got a Deontay. This one's nice. I like this one. A Radiant. We got a Pikachu. We got a Ditto. We got a Poochyena. We got Elisa Sparkle. We got a Voltorb. Alright, everybody. Lesson of the day. Open it like Caesar. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff, and we'll see you next time. Peace.